Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how I'm going to be studying for the TEAS exam upcoming in January. So it's about a month until I have my exam. So I wrote out a study plan on how I'm going to study. So I'm going to go section by section and I'm going to go through the whole entire TEAS book, and then after that I'm going to take a the practice tests online and see how I do. So first I'm going to start off with reading, math, science, and then like the grammar stuff, spelling and all that. So each section I'm going to take about 1.5 to 2 weeks on, depending on the section. So science, I haven't done anatomy 2 yet, so I'm probably going to take about 2 weeks going over everything. But everything else, I think like a week and a half would be good enough to go over each subject. So I'm going to do like every day, just take an hour out of my time and go over that section over again. And at the end of each section of the book that I have, there's questions, for reading, and then you can see if you get like the reading questions right. Same for math, same for science. So I'm going to be doing that this upcoming month. So here I have my TEAS exam book, and this part is just telling you like all about the test and like tips that you could do right here. They kind of focus. Thank you. Okay, so here they say like 1 month plan, 2 month plan, or you just need to know everything from scratch. So that was very useful, and I am obviously doing the 1 month plan. They also have a diagnosis test in the beginning, which I took. I'm going to take again after I'm done with every section. So if I go through here, past the diagnosis test. So like here, chapter 1, where it's just talking about the reading, this is what I'm going to go over first. So that's question and like how you got that answer right here. Okay, so this is the mathematics part. So then again, I'm going to be going through how to do each problem, because there's a lot of this on the TEAS because I took it before, and a lot is memory, but then some I should brush up more on with the mathematics. And here we have the science section, which is just anatomy and physiology. Well, there's anatomy and physiology, and then there's biology and chemistry that's on the TEAS exam. So this one's just brushing up on the anatomy part, which I got some of the systems. I just need like the systems that I need to brush up over is the endocrine, the cardiovascular, respiratory, reproductive, the immune system, and digestive, but not really, but I feel like I should go over that too. But yeah, so those are the systems that I really need to know, because that's in my up and coming semester that I haven't took the class yet. So, and the last section is the language and English, which is surprisingly a lot of people's faults. They get the lowest percent on this section. No, I did, and I talked to a lot of my other friends, and they didn't do well in this section either. So, I thought I didn't have to study for this section, but I guess I do. Guess I'm not good at English. So I need to brush up on this section as well. That's all I'm going to be going over for a month from now. I'm taking the exam on the 23rd. So I think that's a day after the first day of school. So, yeah. So this is the the TEAS practice book by Kaplan ATI's TEAS. I don't know which year this is. Does it say the year? But I got this online, I believe so, but they have this at Barnes & Nobles that I saw. So I think this is a good practice book. Okay, so that is it for this video. I'm going to be doing a lot of study with me's coming up, studying for this TEAS exam. So if you guys are interested, subscribe to my channel, keep posted, because I am moving along into my nursing journey. So if you guys want to hop along with me, hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Feeling like a boss ass bitch these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your chips. Hope and wish and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me.